All right, we're going to take another look at this calculation. And back to this problem. The first calculation we did with x is 16. We plugged it in, 2216. Got that right here, 2216. And I'll just repeat this. Times 0.3 to the 4th, 0.7 to the 16th. Press enter, we've got 13%. And then if we scroll up and then click enter, we can copy paste this and change this to 17 and 3, and we can kind of go about this that way. That's not the best. There's another way to do this I want to show you, and we're going to get to this distribution function. So we're going to press second vars and go near the bottom. There's something called binomPDF and binomCDF, and I'll show you what both of these do. The first, binomPDF, calculates a single item like this one here. We can do this calculation pretty quickly with binomPDF. Press enter here. Trials, we want 20 trials. That's how many times we're going to play this game. And then P is probability of success. So in this case, 70% of the time he beats them. We'll call that the success. 0.7. And then X value is the number of successes. In this case, we want 16 successes. And we'll paste that into the home screen. You have to be in the home screen when you do this. And so there we go. The 20 is the number of trials, 0.7 probability of success, 16 successes. Press enter, and it's the same exact calculation as this one. And the only benefit to doing this is when we go and copy paste this, I can change this to a 17 and it'll adjust everything for this next calculation. So it's a little faster, 7.2%. All right, so that was the binomPDF, probability distribution function, PDF. Now, the other thing is the CDF, and CDF is a cumulative probability. So let's go ahead and find that here. Second vars gets you to the distributions. And binomCDF, select that, same thing, 20 trials, probability of success. X value, this is the tricky part. We want, this will add up all of the values up to this X value. So we actually want to add up everything from 0 to 15. It always adds from 0 up to whatever this X value is. So if we add up from 0 to 15, that says that all of the numbers, like if we wanted to add 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, all of the numbers from 0 to 15 add up to 76%. That's just the way it's established. It adds from 0 to whatever the X value is. And so we don't actually want that. We want everything after 15, 16 and up. And so we already know what the answer is going to kind of be close to. What we need to do is subtract this value to find sort of the not exactly the opposite, but a complement probability to this, 23.8. So sometimes when you're adding up everything below the value, you just have to be aware of which number you're actually trying to get.